Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to crochet the beautiful almond stitch, which creates lovely textured ridges perfect for scarves, blankets, hats, and more. This stitch uses just half double crochets and slip stitches worked mostly in the back loop, making it easy and fun to learn. The front shows the characteristic almond-shaped textured ridges formed by the alternating half double crochets and slip stitches worked mostly in the back loop. This side looks neat and decorative, making it ideal to display. The back side has a more subtle, flatter texture with visible slip stitches and half double crochets worked in the back loops. It's less textured and more uniform, often considered the wrong side when showcasing the stitch. Materials needed: worsted weight yarn or your choice, 5mm crochet hook or size suitable for your yarn, scissors, yarn needle for weaving ends. The crochet diagram visually guides you through the pattern by showing stitch types and placement, reading direction, and repeating sections. We start with a foundation chain, then this is the sign of a slip stitch, and this T is the sign for half double crochet. As usual, I'll share on the bottom of the video the diagram for easier follow-up. Foundation chain. Chain a multiple of 8 plus 5 extra chains. For this tutorial, I'll start with 16 plus 5. Let's make a chain of 21. Row 1, right side. Slip stitch and second chain from hook. In the next chains, we work 3 more slip stitches. Let's make a quick recap how to make slip stitch. Insert the hook under the top loop. Yarn over and pull the yarn through both the stitch and the loop on the hook. We have in total 4 slip stitches. In the next 4 chains, we're working half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Then again, 4 slip stitches. Work slip stitches loosely to maintain fabric flexibility. We continue with next 4 half double crochet. And again, 4 slip stitches. And the first row is finished. Row number 2. We chain 1 and turn the work. From this row onwards, we are working back loop only. Skip 1 chain and we follow the same pattern. 4 slip stitches, 4 half double crochets across the row. Back loop only means that you insert the hook to the back of that V shape from the ridge. I hope that you can see it in the video. When we make 4 slip stitches, we repeat 4 half double crochets. Basically, we are working 2 identical rows. Continue with 4 slip stitches. Then 4 half double crochets. Just don't forget to make back loops only. We finish this row with 4 slip stitches. Row number 3 and number 4, chain 1 and turn. We switch the pattern on next 2 rows, starting with 4 half double crochets, followed by 4 slip stitches. Work in the back loops only. Four slip stitches, 4 half double crochet across the row. And I might become annoying. Don't forget that we work back loop only. Row number 5 and 6 are worked as row 2, and we are repeating 2 by 2 the rows. Tips: work slip stitches loosely to maintain fabric flexibility. Keep consistent tension for even ridges. Count stitches regularly to avoid mistakes. Experiment with different yarns for varied textures. And that's how you crochet the almond stitch. It's perfect for adding a lovely texture to your projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Happy crocheting!